Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we published a new video. Do you know what your everyday hairstyle says about your personality? Each person is unique in his own way. We all look different, we have different tastes, and we have different hairstyles. What kind of hairstyle do you choose for your everyday life? Do you gather your long hair in a ponytail, curl your hair, or just wash and leave it natural? All this can say you something about your personality. There are no hairstyles that can suit everyone. Every single lady is an individual. Every nationality, culture, and even every historical epoch has its own preferences and favorites. It can seem that the hair is just one of the components of a person's physical body. However, it often plays an important and even fatal role. Probably, each of us has experimented with the hairstyle at least once in the life, and some women even change it all the times. They change the length and the color of their hair. Pay your attention to the following 4 hairstyles. Have you found your favorite one among them? Dark hair. Your thoughtful women with darker locks are often perceived as more thoughtful and enigmatic, which can contribute to their mysterious sex appeal. Here are secrets hairstylists won't tell you for free. Red hair. Your fun-loving red-haired women are often branded as fiery and are typically perceived as fun-loving and wild. This is what your hair is trying to tell you about your health. Blonde hair. You're a man magnet. Men are typically more drawn to women with golden tones in their hair, despite often pegging them to be less intelligent. Gray hair. Your confident women who go or remain gray are considered confident and appear unwilling to bend to societal standards of beauty. That said, gray-haired women may also be construed as older than they actually are. Here are surprising reasons you're going gray. Short hair. You're professional. Shorter hairstyles project confidence because they make it seem as though the wearer has nothing to hide. Short styles are also deemed more professionally, and women that sport them are often taken more seriously. Long hair. You're carefree or immature. Women with long hair are more carefree and youthful, and sometimes bohemian. However, older women who maintain longer hair can sometimes be seen as childish. Long hair can be seen as a shield of sorts that connotes a lack of maturity or toughness. Find out why hair grows faster in summer, and other surprising myths and facts about hair. Center part. Your organized women who part their hair down the center project personalities that strive for balance and order in their lives. They're organized and responsible. Jagged center parts are slightly softer and signal a more easygoing attitude. Side part. Your compassionate women with side parts are typically empathetic and compassionate. They care very deeply for their loved ones and make them a large part of their lives. These are other signs you have incredible empathy.